Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel mathtrance. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to solve a question which has troubled mathematicians for many years. And that question is, can any angle be trisected with just using ruler and a compass? Without wasting any further time, let's go to the question. While I'm sharing my screen, I'll tell you one thing, that in this question, interestingly, I'll be using geometric progression to help me out. As you can notice that the theta that I have made is the arrow for the theta is downwards. That will be explained later to you. It's just amazing how geometric progression can help you in solving this problem. So I'll explain you the process that this is the angle theta. What I'm doing is bisecting it. Okay, this is the first bisection. Let me make it a bit here. Okay, so this is theta, this is theta by 2. Then I'll again come here, which is this angle. So this angle is now theta by 4. Again, I'll go up from here. This angle would be theta by 8. I'll explain everything to you. I'll even note it down. Note down the angles for you. Now, as I've moved up from here, now I'll move down. That is not what I wanted. Insert this thing. Should start from here. Should end here. Right? Again. Now I'll have to go above it. I think this much is enough to explain you what am I doing. I'll I'll tell you the proof later on, but let's see what am I doing. What did I do? So first, my big theta was this way, which had to be trisected. Then I went this much, and this was theta by 2, right? Then from here, theta by 2, I went here, and this is half of this theta by 2. This becomes theta by 4. From here, I went to this angle, and this is theta by 8. From here, I came here. This angle is theta by 16. From here, I went here. Can you guess what this angle is? That's right. That is theta by 32. And so on. When you go up to infinity, it will converge the angle. Suppose this is the final line that you'll get. Let me use, let's use white only. So suppose after infinite steps, you end up with this ray, something like that. So this angle, what you'll finally get, would be theta by 3. So now, why are we doing this? And how is GP involved? As you can see that angles are getting bisected and bisected and bisected. So you might be able to guess that we are trying to use the infinite sum of GP and add all these terms. So let's get to the math. Proof. We started with theta, right? Then we subtracted theta by 2 from it, right? Then I added theta by 4 to it. Then I subtracted theta by 8 from it. And this will go on till infinity, right? So the first term is theta, and the common ratio is minus half. So because it is minus half, it will become plus, and so this thing will become 2 theta by 3. But now the question is 2 theta by 3 from where? In my question, as I took theta from here, so 2 theta by 3, I will get this as a 2 theta by 3 angle. So what I'm left with is this angle, which is theta by 3, right? Isn't it amazing how geometric progression can help us here? Although this result is theoretical, well, which means obviously you cannot do it infinite times. It is not possible, right? Not practical, rather. However, mathematically, it can be solved. So the angle of the problem of trisection of angle of any angle can be solved, right? I was just wondering when I made my previous video of GP that I just mysteriously came upon this number, that if we can subtract half from here, and this gives us what? 1 upon half, which is 2. So what if I do it 1 upon 1 plus half? This will definitely give me 2, 3. And if I can get 2/3, and if I can subtract 1, rather I can subtract 2/3 from the 1, I'll get 1 by 3. So this is how I stumbled across the solution. Although I went to internet and I saw that it was already posted there. Too bad. I could have been the first one to discover the solution. But nonetheless, it was pretty amazing. I felt very, very good, right? I hope you also apply some creative aspect to an unexpected problem in an unexpected way. That is what creative people do. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your time.